Hello everyone, my name is Daya and I'm from Build with Innovation. In this video, let's learn how to create orders for your users. So being an admin, you can create orders for your users as per their request. So from your end, you can do this. For that, you have to get into the orders page. I hope you were clear in the last video of manage orders, how to get into the orders page. So we have 5 tabs here, and in the first tab, in the pending tab, we have an option called create order. You have to click that, and this is the page we'll get. And there are 4 tabs in the page, which is select user, user address, select products, and order summary. And now you have to select the user by their name. So if they are a registered user, if you just type out their name, the results will appear. I'll search for the user Mayank now. So this is the user list I got. So I just have one Mayank, and you have to select the user which you want to place the order for. So once you select the user, we can see that the user address has also been autofilled because the user might have uploaded their address, and so the city, pin code, state, and everything is autofilled. And so that's the second tab. Now go to select products, the third tab, and here you have to enter the product name. So search a product by its name. So whichever product the user requested you to place an order for, you have to select that product, be it addition or a subscription of a product. You can do anything. So if you want to add a certain product, I just click on the add. And now before subscribing, let me add one more product. So I'll add apples. So just click add and it's added. And now if you want to subscribe any product, when you click it, you have to select when it should be repeated and the quantity and all. So I'll just increase the quantity, total number of weeks for which the subscription has to be taken under, and we have to select the delivery time. And once you finished everything, click the subscribe option, continue. So yeah, the product is subscribed now. Now we have selected the product. So let's move on to the fourth tab, which is order summary. And here we have all the details about the user and the order. So you'll have to check everything, be it the delivery address or the user's name and the phone number, everything. So we have all the details here. And once you finish that, just recheck the products once again. And if you want to increase a product, just click the plus icon here and it will be increased. And if you want to decrease the quantity, you can just click the minus. Just like that, we can increase quantity for every other product, and if we don't need the subscription, we can delete that too. And here we have the order summary, the number of items, price, GST, and if you need to add delivery charges, you can add it. And if you want to give discount, you can give it in this page itself. So I'll give 25 rupees discount, and we have the total amount too. So once you verified all the details, be it the address or the product list and all, once you have verified everything, scroll down, you'll see an option called save order. And yeah, now the order has been placed. As you can see, the order has been directed to our pending tab, and from here we can access the order and dispatch it and deliver it to the respective users. So that's pretty much about creating orders for your users based on their requests. Hope you understood. Thank you so much.